Last time we were talking about overlockers, we were talking about nice straight seams. Today we're going to be talking about what to do when you have to sew a curve. Sewing a curve is actually really easy when it comes to an overlocker. So I'm just going to get it started by lifting up my presser foot, and it's only because I have a very narrow cross section here that I'm using my presser foot. Normally I wouldn't worry. So if this is my pattern piece, I'm going to turn it sideways until this edge runs parallel to the cutting blade. Once that's in position, I'm going to lower my presser foot, and hopefully here you can see this line lines up directly to the blade, so I've got very little excess fabric I'm going to be cutting off. Okay, I'm just going to start slow to get it going underneath the machine, and you can see here the stitches are starting to actually stitch on the actual fabric. So here is my curve. Instinct tells us to try and keep sewing around the curve in a really hard kind of manipulated way. With stretch fabric on an overlocker, we make it easy on ourselves by making our curve go straight. So here you can see I'm getting up to the bottom of the curve. I'm going to push it straight. So I don't care that this edge looks like a lettuce leaf and is all wobbly. I'm just going to keep putting it through. Unfortunately, just a little bit of catch up there. Keep pulling it straight. Doesn't matter. Now here it gets a little squirrely because this edge is nice and small, so I'm just going to slow down again, feed it through, bring it out the other end, nice long tail of thread and trim. And now when I bring it back, you'll see I'm overlocked around the corner. By making it straight, you easily traverse the corner without having any wrinkles or any puckers in here. You don't have to change any settings on your machine. You merely move the fabric. Now, to be hypercritical of this one here, I've got a little bit of excess fabric over the edge. I wouldn't really normally like that much. Here I'm going to put it down to the fact that the pattern piece is quite small, and it's also a little bit difficult to talk and do this at the one time. So, you know, I'm going to give myself a break on that. If I was doing this on a garment, yeah, sure, I might think about redoing that if I thought it was going to impede the performance of the garment in any way. But if not, that's an easy way to go around curves. How about you give it a try next time you're overlocking?